Greetings. Today I'm going to present one of our few modern physics demonstrations. That's 7A10.10 Photoelectric Effect with a zinc plate. Let's start out with what's on the table. What's on the table is actually two demonstrations. We start with our rod and fur, so we're going to provide electrostatic charge. The PVC rod will be negatively charged. This is a second demo, and the reason I have it is because I want to have a visible light source. So I want a light source. I want photons that are only in the visible infrared and visible spectrum with this. So this is not normally part of the demo, but let's move on. A little crude, but we have an open air electroscope with a zinc plate mounted to it. And what you're going to get in class usually looks like this guy here. If you notice, it's real hard to see the needle on it, but it's got a glass plate on there. The reason we use this is the open air electroscope on my right really needs a low humidity environment, and your classroom is not a low humidity environment. In fact, it can be bad enough in there that within 5 minutes of class starting, with this particular style of electroscope would just have a 90% failure rate. So this is the Achilles heel. Also with it, the most important part is our ultraviolet light source. If you notice, I just removed a red filter. The red filter blocks, gel filter will block this UV. UV is not exactly the best thing for living tissues, so that's why it's blocked. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. But one thing I want to mention is that zinc plate, this has already been done, but I'm going to do it just for dramatic effect. The zinc plate tends to oxidize, and zinc oxide does not perform very well in this demonstration. So, we'll plate on there, get it close to the light source, and let's go ahead and charge. Okay. I'm going to give it a couple of charges, and we'll basically. Okay, so your zinc plate's negatively charged. The reason I have this second demonstration is I have this outstanding reading line, and right now I am bombarding the zinc plate with photons from the visible spectrum and infrared. And as we look at the needle, nothing impressive happens at this point. So let's ditch that. And this is going to be quick if I sanded it correctly. As soon as I remove this red gel filter, you should see that needle discharge within about 10 seconds. Voila. And that is 7A10.10 Photoelectric Effect with zinc. Thank you for watching.